How to fix low microphone volume. Hello everyone, welcome to this channel. I'm Emily and I'm here to help you out today. So without any delay, let's get started. So first of all, what you simply need to do is go to the settings application on your device. As you launch the settings application, tap on about phone and check if you have any updates for your device over here. As it says there are no updates available, we can just go back and then scroll down over here and then tap on sound and vibration. Make sure that your media volume is kept to the maximum and also your phone is not in a silent mode over here. Also make sure that your phone is not in DND. Make sure your volume is to the maximum over here just to clear out that you do not have a microphone issue. And if this does not fix the issue, what you can simply do is make a long press on power button and then tap on reboot and restart your device, and this might help you fix low microphone volume error. So that's it. Thank you so much for watching this video. See you next time.